Join me as I dive deep into the world of space stock and see if I can figure out if it's really about to explode. Space stocks have been gaining a lot of attention lately, and SPCE stock is one of the names that's been on everyone's radar. With the growing interest in space exploration and the potential for commercial opportunities, it's no wonder investors are curious about the prospects of this stock. As we explore the world of space investments, we'll take a closer look at SPCE stock and what could be driving its potential growth. Space companies face some serious challenges that can impact their stock performance. One of the main hurdles is competition. There's a growing number of players in the space industry, and it's getting crowded out there. Funding is another major concern, as developing new technologies and launching missions require significant investment. Technological hurdles are also a major risk, as the development of reliable and efficient technologies is crucial for success in space exploration. And let's not forget about regulatory challenges. Space companies need to navigate a complex web of laws and regulations to operate successfully. The space industry has seen some significant developments recently, and these trends are likely to affect SPCE stock. One of the most notable trends is the growing demand for satellite-based services, such as GPS and satellite internet. Another trend is the increasing number of partnerships between space companies and governments, which can provide a significant boost to their funding and credibility. Private investment in space companies has also been on the rise, which can help drive innovation and growth. Advances in technology have also been a major driver of growth in the space industry, with new materials, propulsion systems, and other innovations helping to make space exploration more efficient and cost-effective. A critical moment or announcement that could serve as a catalyst for SPCE stock growth is a major contract win or a significant technological breakthrough. For example, if SPCE stock lands a major contract with a government agency or a commercial partner, it could be a game-changer for the company's prospects. Similarly, if the company announces a significant technological breakthrough, such as a new propulsion system or a more efficient solar panel, it could drive growth and investor interest. Any major announcement like this could have a significant impact on SPCE stock, and investors will be watching closely. The company's ability to execute on its plans and deliver results will be crucial in driving growth and investor confidence. In conclusion, SPCE stock has some potential for growth, but it's not without its challenges. From competition and funding to technological hurdles and regulatory challenges, there are many factors that can impact the stock's performance. However, with the growing demand for satellite-based services, increasing private investment, and advances in technology, there are also some promising trends that could drive growth. What do you think about SPCE stock and its potential for growth? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about space investments, be sure to check out my previous video on the topic for more insights.